Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick here with some raw day trading, and I'm green today, 395, and I was up 6 at one point, but I misplayed into some late day, no volume names, just like I did yesterday, and lost 200 bucks. Yesterday, I lost a little bit more. The one I lost on today was MSGM. Basically, just it was controlled by market makers. There weren't too many reasons why I should be playing this. If you look at this action here, this kind of pattern on the name, it's just back and forth. Market makers are ping ponging it. There's no natural volume going on in here. This is the 1 minute chart. There's like no volume on that. Really no volume. Even on the 5 minute chart, it's like 200,000 shares per 5 minute candle at the maximum, really. And so I made the mistake here. I thought it was going to open up out of nowhere, and today just wasn't the day for that. It had a decent pattern for what I thought would be a good pop in that regard, but I was wrong, and I paid for it. It's fine. And I got a lot of practice done. I don't think I would have traded it if I weren't at the screen, basically watching tape on $7 and above movers, $6 to $9 movers, and how they move, and trying to get tuned in with them. So I did a lot of that today. Which meant I was at the screen and I left my charts open just because, I thought something might come up in the afternoon. I was wrong. My profit went down in the afternoon. I gave back more than I would have liked. It would have been nice to be up 600, but I'm up just under 400, so that's okay. Now that it's the end of the day, I'm a little bit annoyed, and I am... it's always just like when I can't actively do stuff, it bothers me. Although this is active, I'm talking to you, cool. Let's watch some video real quick, do a little bit of review on the open. I haven't watched it yet, so we will be discovering what happened together. Let me shut down this chart, make sure I have all the 521. I can't believe I lost money on those stupid stocks. Okay. Close this shit. All right. So looks like I opened the screen a little bit late. I'm already up 235 at this point on Tnon, which is this name over here. There's one trade that I got on it that was pretty freaking epic. It was down. Yeah. I don't have the patience right now to do a full review of all this stuff. I just want to watch one of the trades. It was down here as it was approaching lows. I wanted it to break through. Wasn't sure if it would. Jumped in. It was really low volume out of the public eye, which I like. It had potential. I liked the chart. I liked how it was a recent runner too. And I bumped in here. I did not take this win right here. I think I actually ended up losing on this trade, which, yeah, I do end up losing on this. Should have taken some out right there. Oh no, I did take some out. Okay. Because that was a... Wait, where did I lose money? Okay, so I had a good open trade. I remember that. Oh. My brain is frazzled. Okay, so I don't get the open trade on video. Okay, I think I have to take the loss here. I buy a little bit high. Let's see where I buy here. Yeah, okay, so I got a little slippage there, which is okay. I wait for it to come back up. It doesn't come back up, and then I take an L. Oh, actually, I'm able to get out of break even, but then I lose again. Why do I lose again? I remember I went red on this before. I went nicely green. Just sit down here. Oh, I buy it right there. I buy for the breakout, which, you know, not the best move. And should I cut? Yeah, I buy for the 1 minute pattern breakout on a descending candle pattern, which isn't the best. Actually isn't good at all. That's annoying. Okay, I lose on this. Let's see where I lose. Should have taken the loss sooner. Don't. Whatever. Down to $60 now at this point, and then I go red right here. It's like creeping lower, creeping lower. I get in and it goes lower. Should have cut right there. Maybe not. Might be a winner. Nice. So that ends up being a winner. Okay, so now I'm back almost to the 250. 160 right now. OCTO, I am not touching right now. Oh, and I get in late there. Fuck. Again on the breakout game. And I almost get bailed out, but I get slippage. At this point, I'm kind of just like taking stabs. Not in the dark. I like some of these setups, but I was up 230, then down to flat basically now. Cut it there. Well, that was weird. There's cross bids there for a second. Or cross quotes where the ask went to 69, but it stayed at. Okay, so here's a part where something happens. I'm like, okay, is it done now? Is it done? Is it just gonna die? I wasn't sure. Okay, get an order right there. Looks like it might go there for a second, but I don't think it does this time. Now it breaks a bid, but it's not really dying, so I think I buy back again, which was a little too soon, and I have to cut it here. Because the ask is stepping down. Now by this time the chart looks pretty bad. And there's only one thing that I want to see after this. Only one little thing. It's really dead now. There. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at that walking up. Should be adding right here. Adding right there. Should be. Not. So I'm in at 60. How do I take a L on that? It sucked. Should have been holding. Oh, right there. And that's when I commit. Takes a moment right there. Bid looks like it's holding and it's significant. Creeps higher a little bit. And I'm like, let's see how high this wants to go. I'm actually not in the strongest position here, but that's okay. It's early in the day. I have an idea that this thing's going to be volatile. Based on the chart, I'll really cut it if it does dip below 65. Happily cut it. But it pushes up nicely here. I hold it for a while. And then I cut it just as it's coming under 5 here. And I could have held it for much, much longer. And it does eventually take all morning, but it gets till 6. So that could have been a much bigger trade, but I was happy with what I had. It's this bar right here. This looks like it might have been a nice spot to get in. Mm. And that could have been held a little bit longer, but you never know with those. Anyways, that's the recap for today. Messy trading, but I ended up doing okay on it. And okay, peace out, guys. Have a great day. Hope you learned something. Goodbye.